For giving me an opportunity to present about our company and the products. So I work for the company called Kelley Material Handling Equipment India. I have to put it this way. So whatever we do is towards conserving energy and try our best not to leave the carbon footprint. My presentation will take care of the group overview and the products and the services we offer. So the Kelley Material Handling is the company which is owned by a Swedish company called Asa Abloy. This Asa Abloy is a huge company and is having multiple number of products, whether it is entrance products, high-speed doors, dock levelers, fans. So Kelley India is not handling all the products. Some of the verticals what Kelley India is handling, I will throw light on them. So these are the different kind of products. I won't go into detail because I have been given very limited time. So I would be a little fast, but I think that will be sufficient for the presentation. So I was talking about the carbon footprint and the sustainability. That is the first thing we keep in mind, whether while we are doing any activity within our premises or at our vendor's end. So all those things we keep in mind before doing anything. People. So the people who are working with our company now, whether it is our own people or the people who are working with our vendors, we make sure that they are engaged with the company. So whatever we do, are they excited about doing what they are doing or not? What we are doing, are they excited about that or not? So that engagement, that openness, that professional approach is extremely important for whatever we do, whether our end or our partner's end. Now, I will talk about the brands. Now, as I said, Asa Abloy is a global company, headquartered in Stockholm, listed in Stockholm Stock Exchange. They are the world leaders in entrance solutions. Now, Serco and the Kelley, they are the two American brands which are owned by Asa Abloy, and they are the global leaders they're global leaders and the inventors of dock levelers and the global leaders in HULS fans. Then TQA doors, they are the high-speed doors and the sectional doors. These are the products so these are the multiple brands which I would be spending some time. Now, the first dock leveler was invented by Mr. Kelley in 1953. Now, the first air dock leveler also was invented by Kelley in 1994. Now, till that time, till 1999, this dock leveler market was a little bit fragmented. There was a big brand, Kelley, doing their best jobs. There was another big brand called Serco doing great job. And there was another big brand in Germany called Crawford. And these three big brands put together, separately, actually they were enjoying the global market share close to around 75–80%. Now, that was a time when this merger and acquisition, they start taking place. And these three brands at different point in time, the Kelley, Serco and Crawford, they joined together. And today we are not only the largest manufacturer of the dock levelers in the world, we enjoy almost over 70% market share globally. That is in terms of the dock levelers. Today Asa Abloy is generating around over $9 billion revenue annually, employing 47,000 employees and more than 150 patents only on dock levelers. This is the global footprint. Now, this morning, many of the panelists, they were talking about the downturn. Some people were not too happy about this. Now, then there was another panelist who were talking about that every downturn is a great opportunity. And actually, same was the thought which came to the global management of Asa Abloy also. We realized that there is some kind of downturn in some of the countries in the world. At the same time, we were facing some challenges in US in terms of manufacturability, like all our factories are in US presently. We don't have any factory in China or Korea or any other place. So the whole of the world market is being fed from our US factories. So we were looking at the opportunity, and at the right time we took a decision that Indian market is going through a little bit of patchy time. So we decided that, now this is the breaking news. So we would be going ahead with the manufacturing facility while people are losing job. Kelley India is we are hiring left, right and central. We are also going for the manufacturing operation very soon in the city of Pune. And whatever the cost going to be after we start manufacturing, that cost we have started offering now. Very soon the factory is going to be operational. All our leadership team in India, they have been trained multiple number of times in our US factories. So you are in safe hands. Now we will switch over to whatever products we make. globally. So profit comes in the end. The productivity, safety, reliability, operational ease, and low maintenance cost. These are the 5 parameters. If that particular project meets those 5 parameters, then the project is given go ahead, and then we start designing a new product. That designing a new product is a minimum 3 to 4 year cycle time. Then only the product is launched. So these are the 3 major verticals which me and my team are responsible for South Asian countries presently. The factory in India is not only going to cater to the Indian market. This factory is going to be catering to the Asia Pacific and Middle East. So it's going to be a huge investment in Indian market. So these are some of our global customers, starting from Walmart to Ford Motors to Amazon. All these big customers globally, they are our customers. More than 1 million products have been globally supplied by our brand. Now, these are some of the companies in India. Mr. Mitra is here to spot on our existing customer team from deliveries there, our existing customers, and people like Reliance, Daimler, JCB, all these big brands, even the small companies, the small time warehousing owners, they also see a great advantage of buying the Kelley product. So this is about whether it is a hospital or airport or a church or Gurdwara or a factory or a warehouse, wherever the people comfort or the material handling comes in picture, we are there. When a truck enters a facility, whether it is a factory or a warehouse, whether it is inbound logistics or the outbound logistics, my product starts from the door itself, the sectional door or a high-speed door, and then you go through the dock leveler, which is a bridge between the truck and the manufacturing of the warehousing facility. Then you further go inside a HULS fan, which is a huge wonder product. Most of the companies have started using, but 8 years back, when I brought that technology to India, it was not so popular. But today, I don't have to tell anybody what an HULS technology is all about. So these are the dock levelers. I won't go into too many details, but there are 3 different types of dock levelers: hydraulic, mechanical, and air dock levelers. Air dock leveler is the most modern dock leveler in the world today, which is the most selling dock leveler. Particularly in Europe, America, people prefer to go for an air dock leveler. Why? Because it is almost zero maintenance, and it is a single phase machine. And even if there is no light, it can work on a small inverter. The motor fitted in this, you don't need any pneumatic system. There is an inbuilt blower, which is as big as a hair dryer. So, which is only 4 psi pressure required. So this is such a product which is getting sold more and more now, even in Indian market also now. We are the only dock leveler in the world which is manufactured on a single piece steel platform. So this is the most longing. The oldest dock leveler working in India is around 16 years old in Pune. We are the only dock leveler in the world which is operational by a single push button operator, because the operator is an illiterate man. Having a dock leveler with 4 buttons is a little bit confusing. So we are the only one with single button. And there is a smart system inside the machine. Here are some of the sites where we have supplied: Honda, Amway, Walmart, Tata, delivery, of course. Then the Kelley and Serco HULS fans. Now there are 2 types of HULS fans, 3-blade and 5-blade. Whenever there is a facility, whether it is manufacturing or warehousing or a church or an engineering college, you need people need the ventilation. Till now, people had been going for a wall-mounted fan, which consumes hell lot of electricity, makes hell lot of noise. Now, HULS fan is a technology which the payout period is only 8 months. The cost goes down drastically just by saving money in terms of electricity, and it is almost a noiseless fan. This AC noise and the noise of a HULS fan is almost the same, and we are the best in the world. So this is how this machine works, and I strongly recommend that if somebody is already not having the HULS fans, please go for them. This is a real good tool to have in, because today the cost is a challenge. So you want to reduce your cost. Rather than reducing the salary of your people, go for this technology, you will save a hell lot of money. So I won't go into much. So here is the payback period. And then these are some of the sites where we have supplied our machines: Cobalco, Alstom, ZF, Isuzu, Daimler, then Snapdeal, Ecom Express, Walmart, Decathlon. Big list, thousands of fans we have already supplied, engineering colleges, churches, all around. So my humble submission is, all of you, whosoever is having existing facility or the upcoming facility, please call us, my engineer will go to your site, they will study your application and then suggest the right combination of machine. There is a huge list of different type of products. It is never one size. Every uh, uh, warehousing or a manufacturing site is different. So you just can't have one particular size of dock leveler and then start operation. It is always not a great idea. So let my engineer visit your site and suggest the right solution. So with that, I conclude my presentation and I'm open to question if anybody has. Otherwise, I have my colleague, Mr. Himanshu Arora is right here taking pictures. So Himanshu, if you can just show your face so that people can recognize you. If there is any question about us, I'm here. I think everybody is already quite aware of this technology. So with that, I thank you very much, Surecom Media, Smriti Suri. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best, and with that, I'll take your leave. Thank you. Thank you very much.